Alright, y'all. Mike's Fishing Home here with the quick one because I always preach, hey, put your stuff in a playlist. Some people don't know how to. So this one here will be for how to create a playlist, quick and simple. Down at the bottom of the screen, you should see where it says library. Down here at the bottom, click library. And you'll see down here where it says new playlist. So click new playlist. And it says add videos, so you can scroll through videos that you have watched, or you can go to new videos. But like, so if I just scroll through the list, I can pick a video. So let's just say I'm going to add Eileen in there right now. Let's go to next. Title your playlist. And I'll just call this one tutorial. Well, no, I can't do that because I already have a tutorials playlist. So I'm just going to call this test. There you go, test. And it says privacy right there. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. Obviously, you want it public if you're trying to create a playlist for people to watch. Other than that, if it's just for you or just for friends you want to send the links to, you would do unlisted, or private is only you can view. So, see, unlisted means anyone with the link can come view it, which is probably what I'll put it as because I don't want this public. But then public is what you need so everybody can see your list. So right now I'm just going to put this as unlisted, and I'll delete it after I'm done with the tutorial. So I hit create. So now right here you see my playlist. It says test and it has one video. So if I go here now, see where it says play all, this is now a playlist. I can add more videos in here if I want. So that's like me. If you go to my home page and you come over to playlist, you see like videos is up at the top. It always will be. There's my new playlist because your newest playlist that you create always goes to the top. Then I got my members focus there. See, I got my tutorials playlist, my cooking playlist, my random things playlist, Adventures of Little Rod, promo, and you'll see my archive live events. I have 311 videos in there. So if I click on there, this is the very first one I ever put in there. See, it says a year ago. If I click that, every single video after that will run in that playlist until it ends or until you stop watching the playlist. So that's how simple it is to create a playlist. Now, once you have your playlist and you want to go put some other videos in there, you can go to your channel. Say, I'm going to go to my live here, and it says Sunday pop-up. I can go right here and hit save to playlist. Now you'll see it's already in my archive live events right there because that's what I always do. But if I want to put it into random things and archive live events, I can do that. Or if I want to move it from archive live events and go to random things, I would unmark the archive live play event. But I'm going to leave it in there, and I'm going to take that off of there. And I'm going to hit done. That's pretty much how it goes. It's that simple to create a playlist. And its playlists are very, very good to keep your stuff organized, to highlight, to feature stuff, or to allow people to run through your playlist for you. That's all there is to that one. I think I'll end it here and see how this video turned out.